Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to open a Jeep key fob. Firstly, insert a flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the groove and gently twist or push the fob open. Do this carefully, no need to force, you're aiming to split the fob into two halves. Now once the fob is open, gently lift the old CR20 to 32 battery out and note its orientation. Avoid touching the new battery surface directly if possible, and insert the new battery with the same orientation. Now, before snapping the halves back together, make sure all internal components are properly seated and just check that there are no buttons which are misaligned or loose. Then press both halves together until you hear or feel a firm click. Just try locking or unlocking your vehicle to confirm the battery replacement was successful. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.